On to class. So last class we discussed a few main Linux commands. So what is grep command? Mostly we are using grep command. Interview also most of the people so they ask grep command and also find command and egrep and fgrep. If you want to search a single string, grep command. If you want to search multiple strings, egrep command. Now got it. This is very important. So mostly we are using grep and egrep if you want to search. Next up, if you want to find fixed string, if you want to find, there is a one more fixed string global regular expressions, and that case we can use, this is the one more option, grep hyphen f, or directly we can use f graph also. So this is based on your requirement, based on your usage, you can use anyone. So anyone any doubt yesterday class? Very important how to use graph and e graph and f graph. So mostly interview they are asking grep command only. Now today we'll see some of type of regular expressions and how to search it. Clear, Uday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me open labs dot. So mostly just noted. So find command, grep command, egrep. So most of the people interview also they asked these commands only in Linux. As of now we discussed a few things, right? Yeah. And what is difference between hard link and soft link? These are the very important. Now control enter plus. Sir వచ్చాడా? Hello, Karthik. Karthik join or
Sir.
okay. Now so coming to here type of regular expressions. So already you know how to search grep command. Now different ways we can search based on character pattern, word pattern, line pattern. So type of regular expressions and patterns. So if you want to search anything, so generally if you want to search cls command and so touch space, I'm creating few files. Just observe here and so here dot txt and ls command. You know, right? So graph space. How to search? First we need to give some content, right? Cat greater than t dot txt. Whatever data you want, we can add it. So Jenkins Maven. I am giving only one column. I am not going to give so multiple columns. So data and all we can pass whatever you want. So we can pass it. Who is that? Someone join admin. Okay. Okay. Now go to here and so Docker Kubernetes. Okay. Whatever you want, just control D. So this is the cat space c.txt. Now, if you want to search, you know, right, grep space, hyphen I, ignore case, whatever you want, we can give, for example, Docker and file name, correct? So what is the file name? c.txt. So based on this, so it will print that particular data. Now, so there is a graph D star, you know, right? D, first letter should be D and the remaining anything and file name. This is the whatever you want. Same thing we can pass here also. Now see here. So graph space hyphen I. What is I means ignore case. Whether I can pass uppercase or whether I can pass lower case. Any type it will allow. So D space D D star. D star means so single quotation D star and the file name c.txt. Now see here, it will wherever D is matched. So now see here, this is the only it will print. So that is the first character should be D and so remaining so any remaining any characters. Okay. Now see here it is highlighted red symbol, right? Now same way. Now we know already last class we discussed second letter anything it will compare. Now see here means dot means any character. We can give like this also. Now see here graph. So now we can pass like this also. String name I am giving B or I am giving m dot dot, so 4 dot n, and so c dot txt. So c dot so txt. So first letter should be m, last letter should be n, and remaining three dots means three characters anything. Now which is matched? See, now matched, right? Clear, Karthik? See, three dots means three
Yes, sir.
characters. That character should be anything, but first letter should be m, last letter should be n. So in between, so three characters anything, and so it is matched and it is printing. Suppose I am giving only two dots, two dots. Now see here, do we have any output? Is it matched? No, right? So this is the four character. First letter M, okay. Last letter N, okay. But in between three characters, it is expecting. But here only we pass two dots. Clear? I hope you got it, right? అర్థమైందా? So now total how many characters here? Four. But here how many characters? It is expecting five characters. Now it is not matched anything. That is the reason we are not getting any output. So suppose if you want to search word pattern. Now see here, word means so whatever you want to get. So this is the word pattern. Whatever you want, so we can search grep space, and this is the file name. Whatever you want, we can check it. Same a grep. This is the so a specific word wherever you want, we can check it. Now I want to check. Now see here, this is here they passed something data. This is the name, specific name. Now same thing, and demo.txt we can pass. You know, right? A single quotation, double quotation. So string can be passed anything. Whether we can pass like this also, or so whether we can pass so like this also. Both are treated as string only. Don't confuse here. Don't confuse here. We can pass a double quotation, or we can pass a single quotation. And same thing we can give like this also. This is one more extra slash we can add it. If you observe here, slash word, it will always search for the given string. It is exactly same as word count, hyphen w, you know, right? If you pass like this, or if you give minus w, hyphen w also, both are same only. It will exactly, it will count it exactly, it will compare the search the hyphen w means word, and name maven, and c dot txt. Now see here, exact string it will search, exact string it will search someone other side. Okay, so these are the so multiple ways we can pass, multiple ways we can search the string. So multiple ways we can search the string. So instead of passing like this, simply we can pass hyphen w. Hyphen w means that is a word. Exactly, it will search the given word. Now these are same only. Suppose if you want to search, if you want to search any number. So for example, see here, I am giving one. I am going to give cat space greater than, and so num br dot txt file. I am giving some numbers. I am giving some numbers. So whatever you want, so we can pass it. Okay, so some numbers I am passing, and so 9790604084 6663684. Okay, now I'm saving the file. So control D, cat space number dot txt. So do we have any characters here, any string? No, right? Correct. These are the numbers. So how to search that numbers? So now see here, graph. So this is the first letter should be first thing 0 to 9, second thing 0 to 9. So I want to print only 4-digit number. I want to print only 4-digit number. Now I want to print only 3-digit number. This is the syntax. Graph space, and so angle quotation slash, and so this is the syntax. Less than, same like word count, less than. So here I want to 0 to 9. Any number should be 0 to 9 only, right? This is the first digit. Second digit also 0 to 9. and so third digit also 0 to 9. Next, we need to close that. We need to close this greater than. Here we are using less than, right? Here we need to use greater than, and that's it. Okay, slash greater than. Next, file name. Which is the file name? My file name is number.txt file. Now see here, it will print only 3-digit number pattern. I given only first letter, first only 0 to 9, any number, and second 0 to 9, any number, and third 0 to 9, any number. So for example, if you want to print 10 only, I want to display 10-digit numbers. So how many times we have to write here? How many times? Hmm? 0 to 9,
10 times,
10
sir.
times. Now I need to 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9. Now is it correct? So 1, 2,
ఇంకా
3,
ఒకటి
4,
రాయాలి సార్.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one 10. 0 to any number. 0 to 9 means the number should be in between 0 to 9. Now see here, if I give, it will print only which digit number? 10 digit number. Now got it? Only 10 digit number. So see, very simple, right? For example, you have a file, you have a text data. So you want to display only uh, phone numbers, or you want to display only specific numbers. So that case, we are following, this is the number format. See here, it will display. If you want to start line patterns, line means ends with and line starts with. Now see here, line starts with D, and so this is the anything whatever you want. Now see here, cat space c.txt. First clear the screen. Cat space c.txt. Okay. Now grep grep space. This is a syntax. Single quotation, and this is symbol in where is it 6? That is the shift 6. Now first, so what is this? This symbol line starts with, and I want to start with T. Okay, T, and so file name. What is the file name? Whatever you want, we can give is c.txt. Now see here, line starts with T. I want to print that line only. I don't want anything. So for example, here see here, cats ls. There is anaconda one file is there. There is many lines available here. Now see here, cat space anaconda. So there is many lines. So line starts with I need to print only line starts with see anything whatever you want. Yes, I am giving line starts with S. So it will print only. It will print only. It will print only. Now observe here. Yes, it will print. It won't print all lines. It will print only starts with S, right? Capital S or small s? I think capital S or hyphen give hyphen I. You know, right? What is hyphen I? Why it is small? Any character not there. Line starts with. There is no spaces. First letter should be that one. Or give shutdown. S also is there, right? Shutdown. Wait. Sorry. Here we missed it, right? What is the problem here? Grab hyphen I single quotation. Line starts with S or small s. And what is the file name? Anaconda, right? Now got it. Clear, Uday? What, Karthik? First letter line. If any line starts with S, I want to print only that line, sir. I don't want anything. Anyone, any doubt here, guys? Karthik, Uday, clear? I want to start with R, repo. So which line starts with R? I want to print only RM command or whatever you want. That is your wish. So now come to here. So coming to here, I want to start with R. Line starts with R. Now see here. It will print only which line starts with R. Only we can see that lines only. Anyone, any doubt here? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, no.
Now same way, line ends with, for example, ending character I am passing. So what is the syntax? Ends. Ends means this is the dollar. Dollar. This is the dollar. For example, this is the line starts with THE. Whatever we want, we can pass it. Now see here, ends with dollar T. Which line ends with T? That lines only it will print. First check it here. Cat space anaconda. Okay. Now, so I am giving a E or L. L means is there many whatever you want, that is your wish. I am giving E. So which line ends with E? I want to print only that lines. What is the syntax here? What is the syntax? Grab space hyphen I ignore case. Hmm. So now what is the syntax? This is the syntax. So which line ends with E and dollar? Ends with dollar E and file name. Anaconda. Now got it. Now observe here. So line ends with E. That lines only it will print. I hope you got it right. Uday, clear? Anyone any doubt here? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So see, searching is very simple.
Clear.
Searching is very simple. Very important graph command. So interview also most of the people find command, graph command. So they asked how to search the string in our file. So there is multiple ways we can search it, right? Now I hope almost you know most of the options. So how to play with. Now we want to search with display all lines ends with digit. If any line ends with digit, so that case we can use same command. See here, here instead of ends with digit, right? Digit means 0 to 9. 0 to 9. If any line ends with number, see here, if any line ends with number, so that lines only it will print. See here, you don't want all lines. ఇక నాకు అన్ని లైన్స్ అవసరం లేదు. Which line ends with number? That number may be 0 to 9, any number. So only it will print that numbers only, that lines only. Now see here, Unix starts with Unix. And remaining all are same, only your wish. So if we want to, we can pass 4 letters or specific letters. Now it will display all lines ends with the dollar. If you pass 2 times dollar, if you pass 2 times dollar, if you pass 2 times dollar, if any line, if any line, if any line, see here, if any line ends with dollar, only it will print that line. So nothing is there. So remaining, if any line except the blank lines, it will display all lines except the blank lines. I don't want blank lines. Now see here, this is important some case, and cat space anaconda. Okay. Now, so is there any blank lines here? See, this is the blank lines, right? This is a blank. This is a blank. I don't want this this and all. Now see here, many areas we can see blank lines. I don't want here. Or let me give one more our file. We can easily understand, right? So cat space c.txt. Okay. vi c.txt. Insert. Here I am going to add so few more lines. Here I am giving some blank lines. Now see here. Here I am giving some coordinates. Get okay. AWS. Okay. Get AWS shell I given. Okay. Python also I given. Escape colon X. Just updated the file. Cat space c.txt. Now see here. These are the blank lines, right? Yes or no? This is the content, but these are the blank lines. So what is here? It display all lines except blank lines. I don't want blank lines. So that case, this is the syntax. So space, grep space, hyphen V, hyphen V. Next, quotation. This is the syntax. Okay. Same dollar, sorry, shift 6 and dollar 4 and file name. What is the file name? C.txt. C.txt. Now see here. Now it is printing blank lines or not? Except blank lines. I don't want blank lines. Only remaining lines I want to print. So that case we are using grep space hyphen v. Grep space hyphen v. Except blank lines if you want to display anything. Suppose if you want to display only blank lines, I don't want so this I want to print only blank lines. Remove hyphen v. Now it will print only blank lines. See here, this many lines blank. Clear? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is important. Next, delete the blank lines. So delete the blank lines. I want to delete blank lines. See how to delete blank lines pattern in the given file. This is a file. I hope everyone know. This is the file cat space c.txt. Cat space c.txt. So cat space c.txt. Here what you need to do, you want to delete, how to delete blank lines. You know, right? How to print hyphen v means, you know. So what is this command? Up to this command, you know, everyone. See here. So it will print without blank lines. This data and all I want to save one more file. How to save this data in another file? Anyone? Greater than file name. Okay. Test data. Okay. Test data dot txt. Anyone any doubt here? Here we are getting some output. This output I am store into the this file. Clear? Now check it. Cat space test data. Clear? Uday? So first we want to remove the blank lines. So up to this command, what is this command? Up to this command, it is removing the blank line. I hope everyone know. So this is the, here we are getting some output. If we execute this command, we are getting this output. This is the output. This information you want to save in another file. So what is how to save it? Greater than, okay, redirections, greater than and file name. Okay, test.txt, whatever name we can give it. Now see here, cat space test.txt. So that cat space test.txt.
Dot.
txt. Now got it. So mostly I am using this command also sometimes. So sometimes I am excluding, including. So this is very, very important. Graph hyphen v. Now adding pattern supported by egraph. This is same only egraph. It matches only, it matches any object string in given the list. So here I given three strings, right? Unix, Java. If anything matched, so it will print. Otherwise, it won't print. Now see here. Already last class also we discussed same way. And m comma n. This is see here. Preceding character should match minimum m times and maximum m times. See here 0 to 9 and 1 to 5. So it will search lines which contains minimum one digit and maximum 5-digit numbers. Minimum one digit and maximum 5-digit number. Suppose if I give like this, minimum m number of times but no restrictions maximum numbers. Now see here. So already we have one file, right? First we'll practice on that. What is that file? Cat space num.txt. So here 3-digit number is there, 4-digit, 5-digit, 10-digit number. Now I want to print minimum 1-digit number and maximum that one. Now see here egraph. I hope you know everyone. Multiple strings if you want to search it, we go for egraph. And 0 to 9, 0 hyphen 9. Okay. Next 0 to 9 and min maximum. So I am giving min maximum. So minimum 1 and maximum 5. That is your wish, guys. This is no restrictions. That is up to your wish. So number.txt. Now see here. So whatever you want, we can. No, no, I don't want. So if you want to give like this, now see here. So minimum 1 or maximum anything. minimum one and maximum anything. That is based on requirement, we can pass anything. Whatever values you want, you can. So see here, it matches exact number of preceding characters. So exact I want, it will display, it will search only 10 digit numbers. I want to count only 10 digit number. So now 0, 6 to 9, first digit, second digit 0 to 9, and maximum this is 9. 0 to 9 means 10 digit number. Now already we have one file, right? Same thing I am applying. See here, egraph. So egraph, same command. I am giving first 0 to first G9 to anything, that is your wish. No, not only pass 6 to 9, that is your wish. For example, 5 to 9, and second one you want 0 to 9, and so 0 to 9, and so that should be maximum, that should be how many 10 digits number I want to print. 0 to 9 means 10, or I want to print only 9 means 10 digit number. 9 means 10 digit number. Now see here, 9 means 10 digit number. Now clear guys? Now see, I am giving only 6 digit number, only 6 digit number. I don't want entire, I don't want to print all, only 6 digits. It is highlighted, right? Observe here how it will work. So 6 means 0 to 6 means 7 digit. Total 0 to 6 means 7 digits. So first I want to start with only 8 to 9. I don't want all. So what are those? It will highlight only 7 to 9. Now see here, first letter 7 to 9 only. 7, 8, 9. So remaining it won't print. So earlier it is printing 4, starts with 4, starts with 6 also. I don't want that numbers. I want to only first number should be starts with 7, 8, 9, and second digit any number and all, and maximum I want to 0 to 6 means 7 digit number. I want to print only 7 digit number. See here it is highlighting. So these are the searching purpose, we can use a different way. Whatever you want, we can use it. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here as of now? So how to start with, how to search the numbers, how to search only multiple strings, how to search a single string. So mostly if you want to search multiple strings, what is the, which is the best command? Anyone?
egrep, sir.
Egrep. That is very, very important. If you want to search only one string, we can use grep command. Clear? So if you want to grep space, single string means we can use the string name and file name and file name. Suppose if you want to search multiple strings, egrep, multiple strings, egrep, egrep, and so we can pass whatever you want. So that is starts with whatever. This is your wish. Whatever you want, your wish, and multiple strings. If you want to search multiple strings, egrep. If you want to search a single string, grep command. Now remaining story same only, whatever you want. Now see here multiple strings, how we can search it. Enter mostly they are asking a search command only. Enter mostly they are asking search command only. So clear guys. Now we know what is a greph command, what is a enter mostly they are asking find command, greph command, egreph command. And if you want to search any numbers and all, so whichever we pass, right? So that pattern we can find it. We can follow same pattern, same syntax. Anyone any doubt as of now? Clear Karthik, Vadai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now cut command. Cut means right? I have a string. I don't want entire string. I want to print only specific. I want to print only specific. Now I am copying this data. I am creating one file. Now observe here. Go to here. I need text data. That's it. That is your wish. Whatever you want. vi emp dot txt. emp dot txt. Insert. Insert. And how to paste it. First I need to copy, right? So on screen keyboard. So or else I need to change the keyboard settings also. India. Okay. Now control C, copy, go to here, control V, What is this? Shift insert. Is it working or shift insert? I don't my keyboard right now is on. Okay. On screen keyboard. Okay. Now shift insert. Place it. First go to here. Control insert. Go to here. Shift insert. That's it. Okay. Now we need to give some alignment also here. So what is this? It is coming department number, salary, ADR, delete. What is up to here? We are giving. So finish it. Gender and female and all. We can alignment gender. So now enter. Okay. Now female. Now here. This is the text data only for understanding purpose. I copy and paste it. This is the text data. So here EMP number 400, name Hyderabad, and so here same. See here department, gender, e-name, e-salary, address, employment address and all. Now see here employee number, name, salary, address, department, female. So like this we have some data, text data. Okay. Now cat space emp.txt. Now observe here. Here I don't want print all data. I want to see. We can use cut command to exactly data from the file. Now got it. This is my file. So here I have multiple lines, multiple columns available. But I don't want all data. I don't want all columns. I don't want all rows. So that case there is one command is there, cut command. So the file should contain columns format data, that is tabular data. Now this is the data, right? Display characters on specific position in every record. I want to print a specific character at which position this is. Okay. So now specific character, I want to print that. So now see here, first one, one, two, three, four, five. I want to print. This is the command. Cut. You to cut hyphen C specific character. Which position I am giving? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. And so file name. What is the file name? emp.data. emp.txt. Now see here, fifth position, first name. Only one character. I don't want entire. See, first record E, second record S, third record B, fourth record C, fifth record V, and see. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Fifth character. This is the fifth character. For example, you want to print only this is based on your count. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want to print 11. So now see here what is this printing. This is the position which 11th character. Now see here this is the 11 actually. I want to give 12. Now how it will come 11, right? Now I am giving 11. Now see here E1 2 L, that is based on your data. So that case we go for cut command. So that case we go for cut command. Cut and hyphen C specific character, and this is the position. Which position characters you want? Display range of characters. No. I want to print some range. I want to print fifth to 10. I want to print some range. So that case we can pass like this. So that case we can pass like this. This is the syntax. So fifth to 9. I want to print only fifth to 9 position, and this is the file name. Now observe here. So if you want to, we can check it. Cat space emp data. So fifth, right? This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. From fifth to I am giving 9 position. 9. Fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will print up to 9 only. It will print up to 9 only. So anyone any doubt guys here? Hyphen C means specific character and remaining position. from starting position and ending position. So whatever we want, we can pass it. So now see here, it will display fifth character to last character. That case we can give like this: fifth character to last character. Ending I am not mentioning anything. So starts with fifth and hyphen means up to end characters. Now got it, guys? What Karthik? Uday? Anyone any doubt here?
No,
So
sir.
character starts with 5, fifth position, and end I didn't mention anything. So up to end. See here, hyphen 3 means it will display first character to third character. Hyphen 3 means up to third character, every record. Now I am giving. So I am giving. So here I am giving hyphen 5. Hmm. First character to last, which is the last here. First I didn't mention anything. First to fifth. Correct? Don't confuse here. ఇక్కడ నేను starting mention చేయలేదు. So it will starts with first only. If you are not mentioning anything, starts with first only. And ending I want to cut up to fifth character. Now check it here. Clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఫస్ట్ అనేది నేను మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు, ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలని. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఎండింగ్ విత్ థర్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. ఓన్లీ ఐ నీడ్ టు అప్ టు థర్డ్ పొజిషన్. నౌ సీ హియర్. Suppose if you want to only 2 to 3, I don't want. For example, I want to 2 to 3 only. Now see here, 2 to 3 means that is 1, right? I am giving 2 to 5. Starts with 2 and ending with 6. Now observe here. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here?
No doubt.
Okay. Now, so same position remaining. See here, I need fifth to fifth, sorry, 3 to 5 and 7 to 10. So it will display record third to fifth characters and seventh to 10 characters every record. There is multiple ways we can play with. If you have some clarification, and also I want to 10 to and 15th. Remaining I don't want anything. See here, 2 to 6 or first I am giving 1 to 6 or 0 to 0 6. Remaining next 10 to 15 only, 10 to 15 only, 10 to 15 only. So that case we can manipulate. See, very simple. We need to pass some range and all and display the specific column data. So as of now we are seeing some with the help of cut command we are giving so specific character and we are giving position also. No, sir, I want to print the entire column. See here, cat space emp.txt. This is the column, right? This is the one column. Emp is the one column. Ename is the one column. E-salary is the one column. Next, employee address is the one column. Department is one column. Gender is one column. Instead of giving a specific position, I want to print column wise. Now this is the syntax. Cut hyphen D and see here display the first we'll see display the specific column data hyphen D and D means a delimiter and default delimiter is tab and F means field and from third and it will display third field or column data whatever you want. See here hyphen D delimiter and here what is the here delimiter type symbol, right? Same cut hyphen D delimiter and so this is the pipe symbol. Delimiter is pipe symbol. And next hyphen F. F means field. Which field? Hyphen 3 hyphen F and field number is 3 and file name emp.txt. Now see here e salary. Now what is the third field, guys? Here third column. Third column. This is the first column, right? E number is the first column. E name is the second column. E salary is the third column.
E-salary.
For example, I want to print a department column. Only department column. What is the column number? Hyphen F. Hmm. Department.
5.
5.
5.
Hmm. Now see here. Admin, sales, account, admin, sales and all. So I want to print last column, only male or female, gender column. See here, column number. What is the column number? 6, right? Yes or no? See here.
Yes.
Okay, so like this, we can easily manipulate your data. Manipulate your data. No, no, I want to print range, column range. So as of now, I print only one column. Now I want to print two columns. See here, cat space emp.txt. I want to print this column and also up to this column. 2 to 4th, 2 to 4. Now see here, same only. Now, so here I am giving 2 to 4, 2 to 4 only. Now see here, second column e-name, third column salary, fourth column address. Anyone any doubt here? So this is the manipulate. If you want to manipulate, this is the very useful command, cut command. So we can use cut command, exact data from the file. Suppose you have multiple columns, multiple data, you don't want entire data, so you want to get only specific column data, or you want to get only specific character data. So that case we go for cut command. Now as of now, anyone any doubt? See here,
No doubt.
displaying. Now skip the specific column. I don't want a specific column. So this is the syntax. See here, cut hyphen complement to display columns except specific column. So cut hyphen d delimiter hyphen complement hyphen f3 emp dot data. Third column except third column if you want to print anything. Now see here, same I'm going so hyphen second column and what is this here? Complement. What is the syntax here? Hyphen complement. Now see here, hyphen complement hyphen f. What is mistake? I com any typo error. COMPLEMENT 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 typo error, right? Complement. Now see here. Now got it. Which one? Which one you missed? First check it. Clear. Cat space emp dot data. Now this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column. I don't want only one column. Remaining columns I need. So which column I don't want? Tell me guys. Here I don't want address column. Employee address. What is the column number? 1, 2, 3. Column number. Address column.
Four, sir.
4. I don't want that column. Remaining I need. Now see here. Employee, name, salary. This is excluded. I don't want this column. Remaining department number, gender. Okay. So like this, so we can get all data. Now paste command. Anyone any doubt? Cut command. I hope clear guys. Hyphen C and position are multiple columns, multiple positions. Next multiple columns, except columns. So everything. So these are the only syntax. If it is clear, let's go to paste command. Let's go to paste. How to use this command? See, we can use paste command to join two or more files horizontally by using the some delimiters. Delimiters. So paste command means so we can use paste command to join two or more files horizontally. Default delimiter is tab only. Default delimiter is tab only. Default delimiter is tab only. Now see here, this is the fees and so this is the subject. Here subject also is there. Here fees also is there. I want to combine horizontally both files. Now come to here, our scenario. So if you go to here, cat space c.txt. So this is some data, right? And what about any other file? ls, any emp data we have test data. cat space test. Okay, now we will combine this one. Now see here, paste test dot txt and c dot txt. Two files. Now see here, now observe here. So this is one side is so that one file data. Next horizontally it is adding all file data, or else we can create. So now see here, I am giving cat space a dot txt. Here I am give sorry cat a dot txt and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. Okay, control D. Cat, I'm giving one more file b.txt. b.txt. Now, so git maven jenkins docker ansible. Okay, next aws terraform, next shell, next okay, whatever you want and hmm, now control D. Now here anyone any doubt guys here? Cat space a.txt, only numbers is there, and cat space b.txt, only some string is there. Now I'm using paste a.txt space b.txt. Now got it. Now we can easily understand, right, how it will work. Horizontally it will add the data. Horizontally it will print the data. What was I clear? What Karthik? Anyone any doubt here?
No,
So
sir.
if you want to print horizontally, this is the paste command we can use. And same way tr command. Tr means translate. This command translate character by character. So now see here, translate character by character. Now you know, right? Tr means translate. So here I am giving AEIOU and AEIOU demo.txt. It will replace lowercase vowels with the uppercase vowel in demo.txt. So whenever if you see A, automatically it will replace it by capital A. Wherever you see E is there, it is replaced by capital E. I is there, replaced by capital I. Now we can easily understand. Now come to here. So this is a file. So cat space b.txt. This is the data. Now I am using tr command, translate tr space, and here I am using wherever m is there or a is there. Okay, I want to replace it by capital A and b.txt. Now what is scenario here? Small a. Whenever if we find small a, automatically it is replaced by what is this? tr. Tr correct. What is syntax? Tr. Oh sorry. We need to give file name also, right? So what is this tr? So see here tr small, and I need to replace with uppercase, and I need to what is the file name? So here b.txt. Now we can find it here. See here a replaced by capital A. Here also small a Ansible, earlier Ansible small a replaced by capital A. AWS small letter, now A capital letter, and Terraform A is small letter replaced by capital letter, and A is small letter replaced by capital A. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? So now same way I want to replace it uppercase to lowercase. Wherever capital A is there, I want to replace it by small a. I want to replace it by small a. Now see here, translate. I want to translate capital A to small a, capital A to small a. Clear? Anyone any doubt? But no one is asking interview. Mostly I attend many interviews, right? For your understanding, just learn this and all. What is tr command? and so what is this cut and all everything. Now if you want to find some different ways, see here A to Z. So I want to change lowercase to uppercase everything. I don't want single character. I want to change everything lowercase to uppercase, lowercase to uppercase. So that case we can use lower means A to Z, right? Small a to small z. Wherever small a to small z is there, I want to translate to capital A to capital A to capital Z. Now see here, clear, clear, Uday? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So these are some, and so these are interview mostly no one is asked, but so just understanding purpose, what is cut command and what is the paste command, what is tr command, grep command, egrep command, and so how to play with all this and all. So next class very important. So file permissions. So what is the file and how to give file permissions to, what are the file permissions, what type of permissions file have, and if you want to update any, this is interview also many people ask this question. So file permissions, so how to update file permissions, user permissions, others, there is different ways we can check it, and the next class we'll see. So that's it from my side.